Good evening to the viewers. This is the live beautiful streets here in Abu Dhabi. This is the view of the Abu Dhabi. Still not yet dark. As you can see, the view of the streets are very beautiful. You will not find even a single piece of paper. So clean. This is the street of the Abu Dhabi. There are different timing between India and Abu Dhabi. It is 1.5 hour different. This is the view of the Abu Dhabi street right now. Street in the car, like the race car, taxi and all. Hello anyone. This is life. Those who are interested to see the good roads, good swim, good place, and good people, you can have a look here. All those are dates tree. As you can see, it's a building. Now it is about to be dark. Today the temperature is 49 degrees Celsius. It is hot out here, and now it is evening. It's going to be dark. So after in a long time I come to the life. This is how the traffic they manage. You will not hear even a single sounds of horn, honking the bike, the car. So this is what people are. All the traffic lights waiting for the green signal. This is the signal. Alright, let's go. So this is the signal. Passing through it. You can walk slowly, no problem. Cars will wait for you. Not like so they are so disciplined. That's it for today for the live.